All things are difficult before they are easy. We all know that nothing is easy in this world. Initially, everything is tough, everything is difficult, and we think that it's impossible. It's very difficult to achieve. But slowly and steadily, if we start doing that things with our continuous practice, with our continuous efforts, over a period of time, things are becoming easy. And after that, if someone is asking, we are able to guide them that no, it's not difficult, you can do it. But even the person who is motivating you, even the person who is guiding you, once upon a time they had also faced these issues, that for them also those things were difficult, but they didn't give up. They continuously put in efforts, with continuously practice they achieved it, and after that the same things become easy. So this is the rule of life. We should not fear by seeing the target, and obviously, frankly speaking, target should be good. It should fear you that whether you will be able to achieve or not, and then only you will take it as a challenge and you will achieve it after putting efforts. So we should not worry about whatever is the target, whatever is our goal. Everything is possible in this life, in this world. Nothing is impossible, but for that you should have that courage to accept that challenge and be ready to face whatever consequences are coming in the way. Those who are ready to deal with whatever consequences, they only get the final results, they only get that success. So do not worry about whatever task you are taking. Over a period of time, by putting your continuously efforts, you will reach over there, you will achieve the target. So nothing is so easy initially. Even while making video also, think how much time we have taken to post our first video, and after that over a period of time we are comfortable. That camera become our friend now. Even topic also, any topic is given, at least few line we all can say about that particular topic. So these are the few my opinion on this topic, friends. Thank you so much for watching.